Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the little card we're going to be making today. Very simple but I think super cute. Lovely for a child's birthday. So let's get started. You're going to need your card base, which is real red. It's a normal standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet of paper cut in half and then folded in half. And then your white piece on top is Whisper White, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And then everything else we're going to use is scraps. So it's a great way to use up your scraps. So I've got some Pacific Point, Daffodil Delight, and Real Red. And we're going to start off just by punching. So I've got two punches here. I've got the 1-inch punch, and I've got the half an inch punch as well. Let's put that one back, bring the right one out, half an inch punch as well. So starting with the 1-inch punch, I'm just going to punch 3 circles out of each colour. So let's just do that. 1, 2, 3 big circles, and get the yellow out, and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's get this out the way. Sorry, my arm is all in the camera. 1, 2, wants to stay in there, and 3. Okay, so that's our big circle. So now I'm just going to go in and get some small circles, and I'm just going to punch about 5 of these and give us plenty to play with. 4, 5, and I do, as you can see, like to jump everywhere. Okay, so that bring back the yellow, and as I said, it's a great way to use up your scraps because you don't need a lot of cardstock to make this. I love Daffodil Delight. It's such a bright, beautiful yellow, and today in Lincoln it is grey and grimy and yucky, so it's a lovely bright colour just to say hello, I'm here. I'm meant to be going out to lunch today and I did want to walk into town, but the weather forecast says just as I want to walk into town it should be pouring with rain, so unfortunately I'll have to drive and spend ages searching for a car parking space. You'd have thought being height of summer I should have been able to have a nice leisurely walk down into town, but now the weather has other ideas for me. Anyway, let's get on. Now I'm just going to stick these dots down, and I'm going to use my nemesis, some Tombow, but it is the easiest really for this card. So I'm just going to clean the nozzle at the top, and then what I'm first going to do before I stick anything down is do some arranging. So I find if you're too fussy with it or prissy with it, you're going to struggle. It's not going to be happy. So it's best just to plonk and see what happens. And it is good to have some things going off the cardstock. It gives it more interest. So let's see. Okay, down there. Oh, I didn't punch that one up very well, so he can be coming off the cardstock somewhere, so I won't notice that. You see, you start to become a bit too prissy. It's difficult, but yeah, I'm happy with that. What do you think? Hopefully you're happy too. Okay, so now we've got our arrangement down, it's time to do some sticking. So let's see if me and Tombow can come to an okay arrangement here. Let's see now. Yeah, everything's stuck down. Simple way for me to know. If it doesn't fall off, it's stuck down. Okay, so we will cut off all the excess, but I'm just going to put that aside to dry for a second, and we're going to focus in on our stamping. So now for our stamping, I'm going to be using the Perennial Birthday Stamp Set, which is this set here, and I'm going to be using that sentiment that says Happy Birthday. And I've just got a scrap piece of Whisper White here to stamp my sentiment, and then I'm going to cut it down to size afterward, but I just find it much easier to do that than trying to stamp in that small area. So make sure my stamp is nice and inky, and press down, hold. Hey, not too bad at all. Close this up, as I always say, before you have an accident. Put that aside, and now we can proceed to cut this, and I'm just going to use some scissors to do this, some nice long ones, just to, and if I can do this, you can do this, because me and straight lines have never met quite a lot of the time. So yeah, don't think that's too bad. Anyway, so whoops, sorry. Let me get rid of all of this mess, and then we're just gonna cut it on some, mat on some Pacific Blue cardstock. So another piece of scrap. Whoops, destruction in my wake today. Okay, so now we're just going to, and here it's easier because just along the edge, stick it down like that, and then again just free cut. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that, considering, as I said, me and straight edges are never met. Okay, so now we have this, and I'm just going to let it dry for a second more, and then I'll be back. Okay, it should be dry now. So now we're just going to cut off all the excess. So you're just going to cut along here, cut off these circles that are just poking over the edge. Didn't get all of that one. And your bits of paper will stick to your scissors because obviously they had glue on them. So just peel them off and you will be fine. Get off. Okay, there we go. Just these last few bits to go. Yeah, I've got them all. So get rid of all of these bits because otherwise they're just going to stick to something they shouldn't stick. I do try to clean up as much as I can as I go along, and it just saves me accidents further along the way. So there we've got our base, so now we're just going to stick it down with some snail. Let's run out. It's not my day today, is it? Snail's running out, the weather's rubbish. Maybe I shouldn't have got out of bed. What do you think? Do you ever have those days where you just want to stay in bed and thought to yourself, you know, I'm going nowhere fast today? And that's what today feels like to me. Anyway, let's get on. It's not so bad. Just going to try and get this straight if possible. Yeah, That'll do. Okay. Put that one away so I can deal with it later, and then we're just going to stick our sentiment down with some dimensionals. I want you to stick to me as always, and just bang that in the centre there, and there you go. That's what we just made now. That's the one we made before. Both are super cute. Obviously it's a little bit different depending on the placement of your balls, your circles, sorry, but brilliant. Well, thank you so much for watching and sticking with me. If you enjoyed the project, I'd be grateful if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe for future videos. All the information about this project is available on the blog post that goes with it, and all the details will be in the description box below. So until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!